TypeScript offers two ways to write type assertions, but only one of them works in React. Let's explore why. TypeScript provides two syntaxes for type assertions. The angle bracket syntax uses angle brackets before the value, like this. The as syntax places the as keyword after the value. Both tell TypeScript to treat a value as a specific type, and they're functionally identical at compile time. You can use either one to accomplish the same goal. Here's the critical difference. Angle bracket syntax looks exactly like JSX opening tags. When TypeScript sees angle brackets in a TSX file, it can't tell if you're writing a type assertion or starting a React component. This creates a syntax conflict that makes angle bracket assertions completely unusable in React codebases. In regular TS files, both syntaxes work fine. But in TSX files, only the as syntax is valid. Because of this JSX conflict, the TypeScript team and the community strongly recommend using as syntax everywhere. It's the modern, preferred approach. Using as syntax consistently means your code works in both TS and TSX files, avoiding syntax errors and maintaining consistency across your entire codebase. One crucial thing to understand. Type assertions are purely a compile time tool. They tell the TypeScript compiler how to treat a value, but they don't perform any runtime type checking or conversion. At runtime, the assertion vanishes completely. The value remains exactly what it was. If you assert that a string is a number, TypeScript won't stop you, and no conversion happens. Remember, use the as syntax for type assertions. It works everywhere, avoids JSX conflicts, and is the modern TypeScript standard. Now you're ready to handle this interview question with confidence. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.